Welcome guys to another video feature of IGCSE PE in the muscular system. Today we're going to be talking about antagonistic muscle action to focus on origin and insertion and the different types of muscle contractions of eccentric and concentric and isotonic and isometric contractions. For movement to occur at bones, there needs to be an origin and an insertion of the attachment. The origin is part of the muscle that is attached to the stabilized bone or the immovable bone, and the insertion will be the part that is attached to the movable bone. So with regards to isometric contractions of the bicep, for the bicep to contract, the insertion, which is the muscle attachment to the radius, is pulled towards the bone and the bicep contracts, and then the tricep as an antagonist muscle group will relax. When the muscle extends, then the tricep will contract and the bicep will relax. And this is isotonic muscle contractions, the shortening of the muscle. When the muscle extends and it straightens, this is eccentric contractions. It's muscles moving away from the body. And with the example of the bicep will relax and the tricep will contract. And this is antagonistic muscle actions. In closing, we also have isometric muscle contractions. Isometric muscle contractions is whereby the muscle contracts, but it doesn't shorten or lengthen, so the muscle length stays the same. A typical example of an isometric muscle contraction is when an athlete or participant does a plank or sits on the wall or does 6 inches. So the muscle contracts, but the muscle doesn't change length. All in all, muscle groups work in antagonistic pairs. When the agonists or prime movers contract, then the antagonist will relax. When the antagonist will contract, then the agonist will relax. So, example, a hamstring and the quadriceps, the biceps, and the triceps, the core muscles, the rectus abdominis, and the obliques, and the erector spinae.